love the salmon. Salmon with that habanero sauce that they have is just delicious. Highly recommended. See you soon.
I had the Desperado, which is it's like an old-fashioned with tequila.
It was delicious. It was our first time there. We shared a bunch of small plates. My favorite was the ceviche.
Yeah, and I had the stew actually, and it was really, really good.
Actually, our friends recommended it to us. It was our first time. We'd definitely come back and recommend it to other people.
It was good Latin food and good experience. Nice place.
Excellent. Everything was really good. I ordered about 9 different appetizers and everybody shared them, but the shrimp tacos were my favorite. And the music was awesome. They have like live mariachi, but then they also have a DJ, so it depends like what night you come. They have full bar, and it's like super nice inside, so I would definitely come back.